In Adobe Illustrator, there are a number of methods and tools for being creative with text. In this video, you'll see how to add text to a path. You can add text along the edge of a path, the inside or outside of a shape. To follow along, you can open this file from the practice files for this tutorial. To start, you'll add some text around this yellow circle. To do that, select the Type tool in the Tools panel on the left and move the pointer over the top edge of this yellow circle. Now the pointer will show a circle next to it. If you see that, it means that if you click, any text you type will go inside of the circle, and that's not what you want. Press Option on Mac or Alt on Windows, and with the pointer over the edge of the circle, click. The yellow fill of the shape disappears because this is now a text object. Type Bobby's Campfire in capital letters. To select the text, click and drag across it so you can apply some text formatting to it. In the Properties panel to the right of the document, select the text size and type 20. Press Enter or Return to make the text larger. After changing the font size, click the Font Family menu and choose another font. I chose Arial Black. Now you'll rotate the text so it looks a little more centered on the top of the circle. You need to use the Selection tool to do this. So select the Selection tool, move the pointer just off a corner of the box around the circle, and when you see rotate arrows, drag until the text looks centered on the logo. Then click in a blank area to deselect the text. There really are a lot of ways to be creative with text, including adding text on a path. Now that you know how to add text on a path, you can make a creative poster headline or add text on a path as a design element in any project you create.